In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check bookings in Calendly. By the end, you'll confidently locate your scheduled events, see all bookings in one place, open individual event details, and optionally review them on the calendar view. First, open Calendly. On your computer, open your browser and go to calendly.com or launch the Calendly app if you use it. If you're prompted to sign in, enter your account details and continue. Once Calendly opens, you're ready to check bookings. Next, go to Dashboard. The dashboard usually loads by default. If you're on a different page, click Dashboard from the main menu so you're looking at your account overview. This is your starting point for finding scheduled events. Now, click Scheduled Events. On the dashboard, locate the Scheduled Events option and select it. This opens the central list where Calendly shows your bookings. You should see a clean list of all the events that have been scheduled with you. From here, view all bookings. You'll see event names, invitee names, dates, and times in a simple list. If your list is long, scroll to review more entries. You can use the on-screen filters and date range controls to narrow or expand what you're seeing, but to simply check bookings, leave the filters as they are and scan the list. You're just viewing here, so nothing changes in your account by looking around. When you need more information on a particular meeting, click the event for details. Select any booking from the list to open its details panel or page. Here, you can confirm the exact date and time, the event type, the location or meeting link, and the invitee's information. As if your event type includes questions, you'll also see the invitee's responses. This is the best place to verify everything before a call. When you're done reviewing, close the details to return to the list of scheduled events. At this point, you've seen the full list and checked individual entries. If you prefer a visual layout, you can also check calendar view, which is optional. Look for the calendar view option on the scheduled events page and click it. Your bookings will appear on a calendar grid by day, week, or month. Use the arrows to move between dates and hover or click on a booking to read the key information. If you want to switch back, return to the list view from the same area. That's it. You've opened Calendly, gone to the dashboard, clicked scheduled events, viewed all bookings, opened an event for details, and as if helpful, checked the calendar view. Your bookings are now easy to find and review whenever you need them. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.